Hello, local business owners. Today, let's explore the world of online advertising, focusing on the hidden gem, display advertising. Unlike pay-per-click advertising such as Google AdWords, display advertising can build a genuine, lasting connection with your audience, especially if used in a retargeting strategy. Many local businesses miss the chance to reconnect with interested yet inactive visitors, but with display ads, you can change that behavior. Imagine harnessing the power of retargeted ads, which, according to Adobe, can boost branded searches by an astonishing 1,046% and enhance site visits by 726% within just a month. Retargeting display ads allows you to do just that at a fraction of the cost of pay-per-click ads. You pay for the ad space, not the clicks, offering a more predictable and manageable marketing budget for local businesses. But it's not just about cost. Display advertising enhances your brand's visibility, ensuring your business stays at the forefront of potential customers' minds, even without clicks. Plus, they allow precise targeting and retargeting, ensuring your ads resonate with the most relevant audience. Adopt retargeted banner advertising as your secret marketing ally, driving more traffic to your site, amplifying your local brand visibility, and ultimately boosting your sales. Your local business deserves this kind of thriving success.
Now, for those eager to boost their local brand, driving more traffic to their site, and ultimately boosting their sales, click the link below to attend our free online workshop, Paid Traffic Made Easy. Thanks for watching. We're here to steer your voyage towards a strong local brand and achieving outstanding marketing success.